To manage oily hair, try these strategies. Number 1, wash regularly. Use a mild sulfate-free shampoo specifically designed for oily hair. Wash your hair every 1 to 2 days to remove the excess oil. Number 2, condition wisely. Apply conditioner only to the ends of your hair to avoid adding oil to your scalp. Number 3, avoid overstyling products. Limit the use of heavy styling products. They can contribute to oil buildup. All right. Number 4, dry shampoo. You ever hear of that? Use dry shampoo between washes to absorb excess oil and refresh your hair. All right. Number 5, avoid touching your hair. Keep your hands off your hair, as touching can transfer oil from your hands to your hair. Number 6, rinse with cold water. Finish your wash with a cold rinse to help close the hair cuticles and reduce oiliness. Number 7, healthy diet. Maintain a balanced diet and stay hydrated. When I mean water, not Coca-Cola, as nutrition can affect oil production. Number 8, scalp treatments. Consider using scalp treatments or clarifying shampoos once a week to remove buildup. If the issue persists, consult a dermatologist for tailored advice.